Get outside and enjoy the wilderness in this great hiking boot from Thorogood. This silhouette uses a lightweight leather upper with that super soft look, using some reinforced rubber there on the heel to give it an extra lockdown fit. It has a gusseted tongue to keep out any debris with that waterproof finish, so it's going to make sure that water beads right off, keeping you feeling fresh no matter what the weather is. Even if it's cold outside, 400 G's of 3M Thinsulate Insulation is on the inside to keep you feeling warm during those colder months. And it has that corded lace up with metal eyelets to give it a super secure and an easy on and off. There is a comfortable polyurethane footbed down there in the bottom to lend some extra cushioning with each step. And it sits on top of the Infinity FD Flex Drive midsole that adds extra rebound and cushioning with each step, making sure you feel super comfortable when you're out for long hours. Underneath, it has a composite shank on the inside there to add some extra stability, with the rubber outsole that has these grippy lugs that's oil and slip resistant to make sure that you feel super sturdy and safe no matter where you're at.